Hello everyone, I'm back after a brief hiatus, and in this video I'm going to show building Visual Studio Code for the NVIDIA Jetson Nano. I didn't figure out how to do this myself. I found that a script in the NVIDIA developer forums where a user posted how to do this. I had to do a slight variation of what he had written, because when I tried what he had written verbatim, it didn't quite work for me. But here you can see a link to the exact forum post in which I found it, and you can see the username, which I'm not going to try and say here, because if I do, I just know I'll get his name wrong. But like I said, look down in the description below in order to find the various commands that I typed. Now when I did this, I did SSH into the device, and I did everything from there. There is a step in here where one of the commands would just kill the UI and drop you out to a terminal. So since I was going to get dropped out to a terminal, I just started and ended on a terminal over SSH. But if you want to type these directly on the device, you should still be able to do that. I have sped up sections of this video because some parts of this process take a long time. The entire process for me, I think, was around an hour. If you take a look at the clock at the top of the screen, you can actually follow along and see where I sped up in some areas. You'll also see that the text flies by a bit faster at some points from it being sped up. And there's some sections of the text flying by where I've cut them out. After the computer's set for so long, it would just go into the lock screen. And when it went into the lock screen, the screen recording utility would just record black pixels. So I'm going to let the rest of this play. And if you want to be able to do this yourself, look in the video description to find everything that you need to know.